Man's in San Cristobal. This place is probably the nicest place I've been in Mexico. Every street looks like this. Mountains in the background, nice colours of buildings and shit, man. I've heard there's magic shops here as well where you can buy drugs. So winner chicken dinner. I'm just gonna go all out, fuck it. Like, I do get quite nervous like filming around other people, but you know what? I've got a 3-incher, so there's worse things to be embarrassed about. I don't actually know where I'm going. I don't know if I missed it, but there's a panoramic of the city which I want to see. But it's just so nice. It's just like everything is just picture perfect. So let's eat it. Nice. This is on the way up to the panoramic. A few steps in there. Get that cardio in, boys. Nice. Reminds me of you know them famous steps in Rio. Not that I've been there, but you know, something like that. Yeah, San Cristobal is definitely my favourite so far. San Jose and this is top-notch quality. The church at the top is called, 1 minute, let me get it up. On Google Maps, it's called Iglesia de San Cristobal. And there's a panoramic when we get up there, so let's do it. Panoramics, boys. It gets quite chilly here in the mornings and in the evenings, but apart from that, it's blessed. I am one unhealthy fat motherfucker. I've got the flu somehow. Don't know how to manage that. Yes. San Cristobal is the one. Chapas. Love it. Almost to the top now. I might go to the chess club later. Fancy a few games. See what crack is. Blessings. Well, that's killed a good 30 minutes. Yeah, man, Mexico is the bomb. I can't actually recommend this place enough. Like, everyone's like, oh, you're gonna die, cartels are gonna kill you. It's like, cut the bollocks, man. People who think cartels are gonna kill you in Mexico are the people that have only been to Cancun or Tulum. One of the worst places in Mexico, I can promise you that. Oh, I'm thirsty. So yeah, that was the panoramic. Well, there's more trees in the way than anything, but yeah, a bit of exercise in there. Got a banana in my bag that I'm gonna munch on. And I'll just keep exploring. So the plan of action is to stay here for like, I don't know, 5, 6, 7 days, because there's a lot to do in San Cristobal, and then get a bus to Palenque in Guatemala. That's in the north, Guatemala, and then head south from there, do Guatemala. Now, I would go through Honduras towards Nicaragua, but if you go to Honduras, you'd quarantine for 2 weeks. So I'll probably fly from Guatemala to Nicaragua, do Nicaragua, and then from Nicaragua, Costa Rica, Panama, head that way. Blessing! But that's the plan, yeah. I need to film a YouTube intro, because I've not got one, but I'll film one eventually somewhere. We've entered Chiflon. It's taken hours to get here, but now we're on our way to the waterfalls. I've just eaten a mango, so I'm very happy. And that's David over there. Peace. There's a few waterfalls here, but we're just going to walk along the track all the way up the riverbank and just visit them all, go for a few swims and that. I'll get some footage underwater, why not?
bastante buena. Sí, sí, sí.
The adventures continue. All day, every day, boy. Took like fucking 3 hours to get here, and it's like 50 miles away. That says it all, done it really. Mexican roads are shit. Damn. Alright then. It's warm? Oh. No, is it bollocks warm? I bet it's freezing.
Oh, it smells so nice.
It's warm, mate. I'm gonna have to get my swimming trunks on me. As if? I thought it'd be freezing. Nah. Yeah? Alright then, now we're in action. Bye-bye. Wow. Blessings. I'm just gonna go for a swim if it's that warm. Let's have a gander. Is it fuck warm? You're full of shit, mate. You're full of shit. Waterfalls for days. For days. You can feel the breeze right off it, can't you? You can feel the cold air, it's so nice. Oh, damn. No way. No mames. Well, that's dope. Beautiful. Beautiful. Hot diggity damn. Blessing. We're swimming. We're chilling. Oh, that is disgusting, mate. Yeah. Yes, I and I. Too blessed to be stressed. Wow. Look at this place, man. Mexico is the dogs, bollocks. Let it be known. If you go to Cancun, if you go to Tulum, they're the shittest places in Mexico. Hands down. Oh. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh. That mud feels dirty. Absolute paradise, mate. Paradiso. Fuck it, mate, I'll join you. I'm coming in. Oh, whoa. Coming in for a swim. Coming in, you've got a big chin. La la la. La la la. La la la. La la la. Is it cold as fuck, yeah? Cold, not far, all and far. Look at the rainbow there. Look at that. Right there. It's literally there, as in there. Right in front of us. What the fuck? Bro, I've never seen a rainbow like that. Yeah. Literally, it's there. You can kind of see it. No way. What the fuck? Ladies and gentlemen, the final, the finale. Holy mother of Jesus. No fucking way. The glare, you can't even see it. Oh my god. No way. That is the most magical waterfall I have ever seen in my life. There is no way. Photo time. Jesus, come on, zone in. Focus. Well, you get the gist. Oh, time. Fucking A. Oh, it's chilly, chilly, chilly. Buenos dias. Buenas tardes. I said buenos dias, which is good morning, but it's like 4 in the afternoon. So when he says buenos tardes to me, he should be saying buenos retardes, because I am an idiot. Hey, buenos tardes. No fucking way. No way, no way. Oh, that's the money shot right there. Nah, bro. That's incredible. Damn. Yeah. You know what's funny about photos and videos? They never do it justice.
No, they don't.
If you don't see it for yourself, you...
No.
Nah.
You just don't experience
You don't know it, you just don't know it.
No.
Incredible. Incredible.
Yeah.
Wow. That was such a... For 50 pesos, for 2 quid, that's money well spent. That.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like, yeah, that's a good do that. Oh my god, that is huge.
Yeah.
Let's get up there and see what it looks like. Bro, that is fucking dope. Look, you can go right up to it, look.
Look at everything that's just going on there though. Like just all the varying angles the water's coming off at.
It's incredible there.
Yeah. Like all the little, like, yeah, beautiful.
It's incredible. So big as well. Blessed hands. Amen. Honestly, this national park, El Chiflon, is crazy, mate. It is bonkers. I fucking love it. Oh, shut. What is that? What? Fuck off. Oh, wow. Just incredible. I bet you any money they'll shut this because of Corona. I will bet money that's why it's closed. That's closed because of COVID, but you can go to a nightclub. Fuck yeah. Oh, mate, nah. Oh, Mexico. It just doesn't stop surprising me. It really doesn't.
This sensation of the light mist.
It's so good, isn't it?
So
it's like
pleasant.
the best cocktail ever.
And like this view right here, this lush green and blue.
So nice, yeah. Wow, what a spot. I bet the mist up there, it'll be like being in a shower. Look at the steps, they're dripping wet.
Yeah, let's check it out.
Let's do it. Oh, it's getting a bit soggy here. Oh, shower time. Oh yeah, fuck, I'm really feeling that, mate. Oh, I don't know about this. I don't know about this. Oh, what? No! Oh, it's so cold.
Oh.
Wow. Nah.
Oh.
That is insane. Oh, 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 mate, with them gusts of wind. Fucking hell. What?
Oh!
Oh! This is what I'm talking about. Oh, the gusts of wind, man. Ugh. Clean the lens off a bit. There we go. Still not clean, but you get the gist. Woo! Oh, damn.